Thursday. We're getting close to our weekend, but a windy start in store for us today as we have red flag warning stretching across the entire 4 states. Now, looking at our windows in Moore Tower Cam, you might see a lot of cloud cover this morning, but that is going to clear up and then will be sunny outside for today. All this pink right here is that red flag warning on our Female First Alert Doppler. We're looking at that to extend into our evening and push till about 8 p.m. And it will start for some areas to our south around 9 a.m. and then the rest of us at noon. But we are currently in the 50s and 60s this morning, so a warmer to mild start. But these winds, look at this right here. So not necessarily going to be our windiest day for our week. Tuesday was, but we're still expecting to see gusts today close to about 30 to 35 miles an hour. Then those will start to drop off as we shift into Friday, and then we'll see more periods of some breezy conditions this weekend. But what's causing all of this right now? Well, a cold front moved through. That is stirring up a lot of this wind activity, and then we're being left with a drier air mass as well. That is going to drop our relative humidity values very low, so we're not going to see high rates of moisture when it comes to our atmosphere. That'll start to increase, though, as we get into Friday, with a chance to possibly see a couple spotty showers throughout the region, more so during Friday evening, overnight, into Saturday as well, but still going to be drier for most of us as we get into today and tomorrow. But the cold front that we saw move through overnight is shifting further off to the northeast. Now we're going to see an upper level trough or a shallow trough start to settle into the central part of the U.S. That is going to carry in a strong upper level jet and will ignite the chance to possibly see a little bit of a wintry mix. It is looking like it's going to hit some areas to our north as it tracks in from the west, and then possibly bring in a couple instances of some showers to our south as well. But most of us will be on the drier side. We're seeing the chances for this activity continue to be reduced over the next several days for us. Already over the past 24 hours, we've seen a drop when it comes to our rain chances, but definitely not a drought when it comes to our chances to see fire weather for today. Very critical for a good portion of the 4 states, especially in southwest Missouri. Now, you want to avoid burning stuff outside today. It does not take much to ignite a spark, so we definitely want to save our firefighters some time for today and just help them out a bit and avoid burning stuff outside. But our temperatures are going to be above average for today, near 70s once again. If you like the cooler temperatures, good news. They're on the way as we get into our weekend, but we're going to pick right back up a rebound in our highs going into the midweek mark. But we're going to see a pickup of over 20 degrees going in from Monday to Wednesday. And then as we get into the next 6 to 10 days, we are going to be on the warmer side of things. But rain chances expected to drop off, which is not good for us. The little rain that we have been receiving, not been a drought buster. So we're still experiencing extreme levels of drought across the 4 states and warmer temperatures, unseasonably warm temperatures. Highs for today around 69 in Joplin, 71 in Grove, also 72 in Springfield. But as we get into this evening, the lows are going to start to drop. Very freezing will be in the 20s. That'll take us below that 32-degree mark and will make very cold conditions for tonight. Now, here's your KSN forecast from your local weather authority. Today's high is going to be around 69. It'll be windy outside. Red flag warning. That